Figs are one of the most popular fruits grown in southern gardens. With little care, they'll produce crops of juicy, sweet figs every July. This is LSU Gold. It was released by the Louisiana State University Agriculture Center in 2001. The fruit is a large yellowish-green fig containing light red to pink pulp. The fruit has excellent flavor and good cold resistance and is wider than long, tapers abruptly towards the stem with little to no neck. LSU Gold Tree is vigorous, producing upright trunks with slight tendency to also have some horizontal growth. Foliage cover is sparse in that trunks and branches are still visible after full foliation in mixed season. Leaves of the LSU Gold change shape through the growth cycle, and mature leaves are usually palmate with 5 distinct lobes. This fruit tree will start to produce a good crop of fruit in the 3rd or 4th year after planting. Small green figs are seen where the leaves join the stem, even on very young trees. But these fruits usually fail to ripen and just dropped off. Once established, figs produce the main crop on new growth produced during spring and early summer. Sometimes a second flush of fruits grow in the fall, but this may fail to mature. The flat top fruit has partially open eye when mature. Fruit will split and crack to some degree during the ripening stage when excessive moisture is present. Harvest starts around last week of June and lasts throughout July. Although figs can produce well here in Zone 9A without it, fertilizer may boost production and the vigor of the tree. A recommendation would be to apply a general-purpose fertilizer following label directions in February or early March. Fig trees may drop fruit if they are drought-stressed and once the crop is damaged. Supplemental watering will not correct the problem, so pay attention to watering because this is one of the few things figs are picky about. Fig trees also have relatively shallow root systems. So apply a 4-inch layer of mulch, such as leaves or pine straw. Spread over the soil under the canopy of the tree. It is also highly recommended to keep the roots moist. Fig tree will grow to 15 feet or more high and wide. My tree gets summer and winter pruning for size control, plus tip pruning in May and June for fruit growth. And I keep it around 8 feet tall and wide for easy harvest. The tree was planted in January 2016 and here it is, a year and a half later. Fruit production ramped up in 2018 and reached abundance in 2019. Hurricane season started early in 2020. This is May 2nd. Normally not quite the start of hurricane season yet, but a strong windstorm split one of the trunks and lifted some of the roots, blowing the rest of the tree sideways. Major pruning had to be done to reduce the size and weight of the tree. Some supports were added to help the trunks stay put. During snowstorm Uri in February 2021, temperature dropped as low as 15 degrees Fahrenheit in Zone 9A. Here we are in July 2021. Production this year is 25 pounds and counting. Enjoy the fruit of your labor. From Fairfield Garden to yours. Happy gardening.